Have you ever seen a pigeon worth more than $1 million? Well, you're going to.
We call the South African $1 million, but our prize money is well in excess of 1.5 million. We call it inflation.
Everything I ever did in my life, I wanted to be the best. Winning the $1 million race, put the icing on the cake.
I have 2 kids and 60 pigeons.
We treat pigeons from 200,000, 300,000, $500,000. That's really very nice.
The sport is getting more and more professional and more worldwide.
Big payouts brings in richer people.
I already invested over €1 million in pigeons.
People started to pay 300,000, 400,000.
I think it's just horrendous. It's crazy how the market's going.
It's insane.
The most expensive bird ever sold.
$1.4 million.
Now you have 5 multi-million-dollar races around the world.
We have been there for 25 years. We're still the #1 race in the world.
We can be the first pigeon club sending pigeons to South Africa. All of us coming together.
If you win here, you can make it anywhere.
Next time I see I should be coming across the finish line. 4th place.
$1 million race was the biggest in the world, but it's not turning out like we thought it would.
It's basically going to the casino and rolling the dice.
We received 4 pigeons, 3 of which died in quarantine.
Good job, racing.
Obviously, today was not what we would have wanted in a perfect world.
They really made a misjudgment, in my opinion. They should have called me.
They have speculations where they think she's at.
Where's all the money gone?
Where's it gone?
We lost everything.